Good evening mga ka-throttle. Welcome back to another episode of Throttle Therapy Doctor. Today is December 10. It's 5:40 in the afternoon. And for today's vlog, we'll be going on a Christmas party event. Na-invite tayo ng bago nating tropa na taga Ducati Katipunan. So makikiparty tayo doon. Kaya yun, tara, samahan niyo ako. Grabe ulit traffic. Ayun, by the way, habang papunta tayo sa venue, I would like to congratulate all new proud owners of Aprilia RS 457. Sold out na guys. Sold out na. Yung holiday promo sale nila, nagkaubusan na ng units. And it's all dealership, I guess. You know, nung kinuha natin yung ORCR natin sa our bikes, wala nang stock doon, nakuha na lahat. And right now officially nag-release na ng statement ang Aprilia na sold out na nga. Ayan, so congratulations dun sa mga nakakuha, naka-take advantage ng promo. And we're very grateful na nakahabol tayo dun sa promo, no? Ayan. Plaka na lang kulang. May ORCR na. Ayan, para dun sa mga nagbabalak-balak mag sports bike, again, itong RS 457 mas aggressive yung kanyang riding position. Although comparable to the super bikes, mas sub-sub yung super bikes. Ito, sakto lang, but then again, mas mababa to as compared to dun sa isang bike natin, yung Ninja, kasi sports touring yun, medyo upright. So, meron siyang advantage and disadvantages. Para dun sa mga nakasubaybay sa atin, I made a review. Kung maalala nyo, yung Yamaha R1 5M. So, yun, sporty ergo rin yun. So this one, yung RS 457, is comparable to that one, riding position, kaya medyo sanay na tayo. Pero para dun sa mga bago lang mag-sports bike, you will really need to make or get used to the riding ergo. Mag-a-adjust talaga kayo. Like for example, this one, napaka-traffic. So pag sinabi kasing sport sub-sub, maganda yan if you are running on a certain speed. It's meant to be used for high speeds, no? Pagka sub-sub, kasi nga yung wind drag na tinatawag, the more upright you are, the more nasa lumo yung hangin. Pero pagka sub-sub ka, especially with the sports bike like this one for example, naka-faired siya, you know, naitatago mo yung katawan mo, so hindi ka masyadong bugbog sa hangin. Yun nga lang, yun yung advantage. But if you're planning to have a bike, a sports bike for city riding, at hindi ka sanay, talagang isusumpa mo yung mga ganitong klaseng bike. Kasi nga ano siya, lagi ka nakayuko, no? Ayan. Init. Shoutout nga pala Alpine Stars. Naka Alpine Stars Missile. I think this is Missile V3 na riding jacket. Ayan. Okay. Grabe, busy mga tao. rush hour na kasi. Ganyan, maraming sasakyan. It's very normal. So by the way, mamaya pala may papakilala ko sa inyo yung isang tropa natin, sasama sa atin sa event, si brother Adrian. So ang bike naman na gamit niya, naka CF Moto, ano naman siya, ano nga ba yan? Yung 500 Boom, you know, yung screaming inline 4 ng CF Moto. Ayan. Grabing init. Yeah. Ang pakonsuelo ko na lang dito sa bike, kahit sub-sub siya, medyo magaan naman siya. So medyo manageable din siya sa traffic. Yun nga lang, talagang sub-sub. Ayan, naka-U-turn na tayo. Woo! Ayan, medyo lumamig na. Thank you. Dito sa kabilang side, medyo moderate yung traffic. Kung malilate tayo, okay lang. Ayun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, pagka big bike, pag city ride, yes, capable naman siya, kaso pag ganyan naman yung riding condition, hindi mo siya masyadong ma-enjoy. Syempre medyo mas matakaw sa gas. So lamang na lamang pa rin yung mga scooter. Pag ganyan traffic, hindi ka cambio ng cambio, hindi masyado nakakangalay. Doon sa mga followers ka na owner ng RS457, pa-comment naman sa comment section kung naka-pipe na kayo, kung ano yung ginawa nyo. Kasi I'm really thinking na magpa-pipe. Yun nga lang, takot ako kasing masiraan kasi once na ipa-pipe ko siya nang hindi ako kumukuha ng racing ECU, mare-revoke yung warranty ng engine. So gusto ko magpa-advise kung ano yung magandang gawin. Kasi normally pag nagpa-pipe ka guys, especially for big bikes, I think I also mentioned this dun sa Ninja, kailangan magpa-tune ka. Magpapa-tune ka, may iba yung timpla ng sunog ng gasolina So yun yung nagko-cause ng backfire, which happens dun sa isang motor natin. Grabe yung backfire nun, kahit naka-minor siya, pumuputok-putok parang popcorn, tapos may apoy-apoy. Pero nung pina-fine tune naman natin siya, na-lessen naman yung backfire. Kagandahan pagka stock pipe, syempre straight from the manufacturing, wala siyang backfire kasi nga iba yung tono niya Pero pag pina-pipe mo na siya, ang sinasabi ng dealership is para hindi ma-revoke yung warranty is magpa-racing ECU ka, which is 45,000. Pero kung may cheaper alternative na safe naman, open tayo dyan, para syempre naman ramdam din natin yung pagka big bike nitong motor natin. Tahimik grabe. Ayan, head turner talaga bihira pa kasi naka 457 din. After namin makipagdigma sa traffic, nakarating na rin kami sa wakas sa Ducati, Manila. Pasensya na guys, ito yung part na hindi ko napansin, nakamute pala yung mic ko, kaya walang audio. So voice over muna tayo. So ayan, pagkarating namin, Maraming motor, ina-appreciate namin yung mga motor, no. May lumapit sa amin, napansin agad yung motor ni Brother Adrian. Turns out naka CF motor rin pala siya. Ayan, 6 PM yung call time dapat, pero mga past 7 na kami nakarating dyan. Ayan, shout out kay Jorgen from Germany. Siya yung naka-red. And then ayan, si Brother Adrian na curious dun sa bike natin, sinakyan niya. And then kinumpare niya dun sa motor niya. Ayun, sabi niya hindi raw masyadong subsob. Mas mataas daw ng bahagya yung handlebar natin compared dun sa motor niya. Ayun yung motor niya, katabi lang nung bike natin. Yan, nagdatingan na rin yung ibang mga guests. So, ito mga naka-Vespa scooter sila. Ayan, may Italjet pa. Very rare yung scooter na yan. And then we decided na pumasok na sa loob. Pero kailangan magpa-register muna. So, in-assist kami ni ate. Ayan, so may QR code lang dyan, i-scan lang, then magpaparegister na. And then after nun, ayun, pinapasok na rin kami sa loob. So sakto naman, pagkapasok namin, nag-lead na ng prayer bago mag-start yung program. As you can see, medyo marami na rin tao. Pero mamaya, mas marami pa, mapupuno yan.
Si Nudge! Nudge! Nudge!
Bumayat siya pero yung pandinig na
Kaya
hindi.
nawala. Ba't ganun?
Dito sa harap, dito sa harap.
Ito ka na, kasi hindi ka na makita.
Oo, mahirap ka makita.
Yan.
Bunod ka, number 7.
Number 7.
Randy Fortusen, take a long stay.
Oh, God.
Island, going to Iloilo, meron ng guys. So, sa Iloilo, it will be hosted by Access Plus Iloilo, yung Pabaglaman Motorcycle Club. And then, of course, yung annual na Chinese New Year natin, right? Gandari celebration.
Sir TJ Alverde, Superbike champion.
Magkakaroon sila ng MCTPC Bike Run. MCTPC stands for Mindanao Confederation of Bike Clubs. And then ito guys, hindi mo ito i-miss. National.
Iba,
May
Mindanao. Ikaw. Lagi ka dun. Okay, so this will be your chance to visit Mindanao because
March. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin.
Oo, ano?
Bago pa yung motor natin eh. Baka yung ninja lang gamitin.
Oo, sure ako. Gusto kong makita hanggang saan naabot yung set mo doon.
Yung mga ano ka na ba? May mga slider ka na, kompleto.
Wala pa nga eh.
Gusto ni record-breaking yung...
Nag-invest ako sa race. Si Arman, nakasama na ba si Arman?
Oo.
Nakasama ko na.
Sa truck, di pa ako, never pa ako nag-truck.
Kasi I mean si Arman, yung
Oo.
yung kasama lagi ni Paul. Ayun.
Di ba nung ano makita yun? Naka-R3 siya?
Ayun, yun. Sino na si Jetlaw, oh. Jetlaw.
Jetek. Oh, yan.
2023 I was also there. That's a great event.
Yeah, so for Bugatti bucket years of Bugatti celebration will be on July 8 to 5th. So meron tayong tour packages for those who want to go to Misano and experience this celebration.
So if you're interested to go to World Bugatti next year on July 3 to 5, you can contact Jeff Rowan if you want to ride.
That's great that they're going there. We're riding there with round about 500 Ducatis.
Wow.
And in the front was Pecco Bagnaia, Jack Miller. No, we are on the normal streets. We are riding there to Misano.
Have you joined that event before?
Yes?
Have you joined that event before?
Yeah, in 2023, last time, before I come to the Philippines.
So everyone from all around the world.
But with my own bike.
Bugatti lover.
Nice.
You will come to the World Bugatti. It started in year 2000.
Gives only by Ducati events like this.
So we're thinking maybe 140.
Sorry.
It's you have for Ducati lovers, it's a must. At least once in your life.
That would go 100 years that way.
Kami every other year.
Ayan.
DJ Codona in 10.
Nagra-raffle draw na lang guys.
Cordono, oh yes. Yes, sorry.
Oh,
All is wrong.
dumating
All
si
is wrong.
Sir Zach.
Hey!
Si Sir Zach nandito, guys.
Congratulations. There you go. Zach, join us for the picture. Right, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Sam. Thank you. Congratulations, boys, to our raffle winners. So, guys, I think
We have 4 judges nga pala guys for the best views. Tiga saan si ate?
Taga Fairview po.
Palayo.
Fairview. Sino mga taga-Fairview dito?
Diyan lang.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Candy, ilang taon ka?
23 years old. Single pa.
Single ba? Single?
Single pa.
Single.
Uy, yung DCS, naging tiga Fairview. Okay, question. What is your most favorite part of your body and why? What is the favorite part of your body and why?
Thank you so much again for the very wonderful question. What is my most favorite part of the body?
Of your body.
The body. Everything. So for me, yung mata ko. Yung mata ko yung pinaka-favorite ko.
Wait lang, Liza, tingnan mo na may mata niya.
Sabihin ko sana bumuha, pero sige mata na lang.
Why? Why mata?
Kasi yung mata ko, feeling ko, tinititigan ko pa yung tao, naaakit na, na-attract ko na, nakukuha ko na.
Pwede mo ng example. Sample sa
Tawon. Sa ano ko dyan, sa team ko dyan, sino gustong sumama
eh. Dyan.
Reasons that you got. We say love me, your permission now. We say love me, your permission now. We say love me, your permission now. We say love me, your permission now.
Alright! Round of applause, everybody.
Alright. Ride out, ride out. Oh. Oh God.
I don't like to drive here by radio. 2 hours or more.
Ah, umuulan na. Alright guys, thank you for joining me. Thank you to Ducati Manila for having us sa Christmas party event nila. Masaya. Woo! And Merry Christmas to all. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, follow, and see you guys on the next one. Peace.